good girl ka, paglaki mo, santo ka, and good girl.
Good girl and good health. Anyway, let's hear with Kuya Dorian. Kuya, ano yung wish mo para kay Amy Sofia? Happy birthday. Okay, now, everybody, later lang sila. Okay, so now everybody, yes, let's hear with the wishes of Jollibee. I want the kids to please behave because Jollibee have a wishes. Alright? Jollibee, halika dito Jollibee. Pwede ba masumayo ka dito Jollibee para makita ka na lahat? Hawakan kita. Okay, Jollibee dito ka Jollibee. Okay, ayan, malaki na si Jollibee. Jollibee, how many wishes do you have? Behind her, Sophia, how many wishes do you have? Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jollibee have only 4 fingers, that's why Jollibee have 4 wishes for Sophia. Now Jollibee, let's start with your first wish. Sophia will grow up to be... Okay, ano yan? Madasalin. A God-fearing kid, right? Katulad ng ating lahat. Tama ba si Jollibee? Very good. So Jollibee, your second wish is Sophia will grow up to be... Ano yan? Ano? Kapuso? Okay. Mapagmahal na bata. Okay, right? Mommy care. Alright. Jollibee, your third wish is Sophia will grow up to be... Ano yan? Beautiful and... Sexy! Very good! Like... Mommy Claire! And... Tita Shabby! Very good, Jollibee. You got it, Toby, in your last wish. Let's proceed to the last wish of our hero. Okay, your last wish is Sophia will grow up to be always be happy like Jollibee. Okay, come again, Jollibee. Always be happy like Jollibee. Ayun, always be happy like Jollibee. Alright, so thank you very much, everyone. It's time to say thank you with Mommy. Bago namin ibigay ang mga lutas sa mga kids dito sa harapan, I want the kids to please behave. Okay. Di ba smart kayo? Yes. So you just behave, please. Now let's hear with Mommy. Mommy?
Thank you sa lahat ng mga nagpunta sa kalala. Sa mga kumari ko, kumari ko ng kalala.
Okay, next year na walang tutuloy sa Jollibee. Now everybody, if you have that Jollibee Square Birth and with Jollibee for the inaugurations, we would like to